going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or Thealyssa Morrison if you are new here, and today I am talking, wow, I should probably like rehearse this in my head before I start filming. Today I'm sharing with you guys, also I am wearing a shirt, sorry if you can't see it. Today I am sharing with you something that I am so excited about. It's really been a game changer during quarantine, and this is a gel nail kit that I purchased off of Amazon, and I also got all sorts of like bright colors. So I wanted to share this with you guys if you haven't already heard of this. I feel like it's like a pretty popular thing during quarantine and on like TikTok and stuff. I wanted to show you guys how I do my gel nails at home. It's super easy, it's so much fun, and it's so much cheaper than going to the salon. I listed the exact gel kit and the LED light that I use down below. You can go ahead and check that out in the description box below. And without further ado, make sure you are subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and let's just go ahead and get started. What's up guys? So to start off, I am actually using a brush on sunscreen to apply to my skin to protect myself from the UV light. And then I just go in with the first layer, which is a base coat. I like to do one layer of base coat, and I let this cure under the UV light for 90 seconds. Each layer that I apply to my nails, I'm always curing it for 90 seconds. There is a setting on this specific lamp that is either for 30 seconds or for 60 seconds, so I just like to go through both cycles. And then going in with the actual color, I like to do 1 to 3 coats depending on how thick or like how the color goes on. I would absolutely recommend to apply really thin coats, whether that be the base coat, the actual color, or the top coat. When you start applying really thick coats to your nails, I feel like the actual gel polish doesn't last as long just because it's so thick. It tends to like peel away a little bit faster. This is a super user-friendly process. I feel like when I do gel nails, it looks so much better than just painting polish. And the reason for that being is you can wipe off any mistakes, or if you get any color on like your skin, you can wipe it off before you cure it, and it will just wipe off so fast. You also want to be sure to not bump your nails before that top coat goes on. And as soon as you apply your top coat, your nails will be set and they won't be wet or sticky at all anymore. So this is the final step. As soon as you put the top coat on and cure it, everything is good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, the actual UV light and the set that I purchased will be linked down below, and I will see you guys next week.